My name is Laura Doolittle, and I'm from Myrtle Beach. Just learning all about stem cell therapy. I didn't know anything about it. I knew it existed, but they just explained everything and all the different kinds and in an easy way to understand. And so that was very impressive. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. It's very exciting to think about what life is going to be like for people, 20 years from now. It's going to be great. And I'm really interested in the aging, helping aging, if they could do something with that. Of course, not in my time, but certainly in my children's time, people will be younger longer, and that's wonderful. Yes, absolutely. If it would be worthwhile, absolutely. Absolutely. Very knowledgeable and able to explain a complex subject in very simple terms for laymen. And he used wonderful examples, and he was very good. I wonder if he has teaching background. He was very, very good. Okay, thank you.